Hi, and welcome to another MicroKeeper tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to request and store digital documents from your staff, how staff can upload the documents from within their app, and how to approve, decline, or comment on the provided documents. Rather than having staff print, scan, or email documents to you, with MicroKeeper, you can have an easy digital overview of documents attached to their employee username. Within MicroKeeper, we broadly call these skills. To start the process, we'll navigate to Settings, Skill Config. We'll select Add New Skill. Give the skill a new title and select Add Skill. A new screen will load. On the left, we have access to all configuration settings for the new skill. You can do a lot of things here. Add a link by pasting it in the URL box. Select what group of staff is required to complete the skill. Set the severity of the skill. Hovering over the blue dot will give a description of each level. Indicate whether a document is required. In this case, we'll select Yes, as we expect the staff to upload a certificate. Ask for a response value, like a license number for example. Attach a file to the skill, for instance, if there's a form or policy you'd like to provide staff. Choose to make the skill declinable or not. Choose whether the skill will automatically approve or not. And finally, select an expiry, in which case you can also set an expiry limit and a reminder. On the right-hand side, there's a box where you can write instructions to staff. We'll paste something in here that we've prepared earlier. And at the top you can see you can do word processing options, like bolding words, for example. You can hover over the icons for more information. If you wanted to add an image, select where in the text you'd like to place it and select this button. And finally, we'll save our instructions by hitting this icon. We'll navigate back to the left-hand side, select to make the skill active, and click Done in the right upper hand corner. Now, when I log into the app as an employee, I will see this skill appear in my Employee Console dashboard. The employee will need to click the Instructions button and all the instructions will load for them to read. They'll tick they've read the instructions and press Start. In the following screen, they can select to upload a document by pressing the cloud icon and then browse. This will open their file manager where they can select the relevant document. Once uploaded, they will get a message on screen saying the file was uploaded successfully. Next, they can choose to add a comment or not. We'll skip that and go straight to digitally signing by ticking the box and pressing Submit Skill. If all has been successfully submitted, a green box will show the message Skill Submitted. Back to the admin overview, we'll now navigate to Payroll Skill Management. In this example, we'll only deal with one submission, but this will be where all pending skills can be reviewed. We can see this skill has been submitted by the employee and is pending approval. If I click this icon with the eye in it, I'll be able to see the uploaded file in a new window. That looks all good. I'll go back to the main screen and there I can add a comment to be emailed to the staff member or choose to edit the skill. I can also decline the skill, for instance if the wrong file was uploaded. Or finally, click the green tick box and approve the submitted skill. That's it for today. If anything was unclear, we have a link to the full guide on skills management in the description notes of this window. Thanks for your time. Please feel free to reach out to us or check out our other MicroKeeper tutorials.